So in this Realtor.com tutorial video, I am going to be showing you guys how to draw an area line here in the Realtor.com mobile application. So the first thing you have to do is open up Realtor.com. Once that is done here, simply just go into the bottom left and press on search. Now once you're on the search page right here, go to the bottom right area to where it says more. And right above that there's a finger. So there's a white circle with a finger sort of like with an arrow. That's going to be your draw an area line feature. So simply just go to the bottom right, press on this option right here. And then once you're here, you can actually draw a line around an area to search. So if you're looking for example, a house in the Beverly Hills area right here, West Hollywood, it'll just do that. It draws a red circle. Now what it'll actually do here is not show you listings within the specific area that you actually circled using your fingers. So if you want to exit out of that, press on the X right here, then it goes back and brings everything back to what it was before. So super simple, super straightforward, but this is how to draw an area line on the Realtor.com application. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.